Have you ever felt that pins and needles sensation in your hands when you're trying to sleep? Or maybe you've stood up and your legs just feel so weak and wobbly that you worry you might fall. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Millions feel this every night, and it can be scary. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive pills or complicated treatments. Today, I want to share something simple, natural, and backed by real science. The humble kiwi fruit. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show you how kiwi can help soothe tingling hands, strengthen weak legs, and protect your nerves. So, take a deep breath and let's dive in together. Understanding tingling hands and weak legs. As we get older, our muscles naturally lose strength. That's called sarcopenia. Our nerves can get weaker too because of low blood flow, vitamin deficiencies, or conditions like diabetes. When your nerves don't get enough oxygen, they misfire. That's what causes that sharp, tingling feeling, and that heavy weakness in your legs. Common reasons? Low vitamin B12, not enough vitamin C, dehydration, inflammation from unhealthy foods, and not moving enough. But here's the hopeful part. Small changes can add up, and one of those changes is adding kiwi to your daily routine. Why kiwi, the underrated superfruit? Why kiwi? Well, kiwi is tiny, but mighty. One medium kiwi has more vitamin C than an entire orange. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, which keeps blood vessels strong and nerves healthy. Better blood flow means better nerve signals and stronger muscles. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Together, these help relax your muscles, protect your nerve endings, and even calm inflammation. Studies in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that seniors who eat kiwi regularly have better blood flow and lower inflammation markers. That means less tingling, less pain, and stronger legs. Let me share a real story. Janet, 67, used to wake up every night with numb fingers. She felt so frustrated until she added 2 kiwis to her breakfast every morning. Just 2. After 3 weeks, she said she was sleeping better, and the tingling had eased up. Then there's Richard, 72. He could hardly walk to the mailbox because his legs felt so weak. He started eating kiwi daily and did some gentle leg exercises. After 2 months, he could walk much further without feeling like he'd collapse. These stories remind us it's the small steps that build up to real change. How much kiwi to eat? So, how much is enough? Most experts say just 1 or 2 medium kiwis a day. That's it. Always wash your kiwi well. You can eat the skin, it's packed with fiber, but if you don't like the texture, just scoop it out. Pro tip: eat your kiwi with a meal. It helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps your energy steady. Easy ways to add kiwi. Kiwi is so easy to add to your day. You don't have to just bite into it, though you can. Try this. Add chopped kiwi to Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of flax seeds and honey. Make a fresh salad with spinach, walnuts, and kiwi slices. Blend kiwi into a smoothie with berries and almond milk. Or freeze kiwi slices for a cooling summer treat. Delicious, simple, and so good for your nerves. Extra tips to keep tingling away. Kiwi works best with other healthy habits. Stay hydrated. Water helps your nerves work well. Stretch gently each day to keep blood flowing. Add light strength exercises. Even simple leg lifts help. Take warm baths. They relax tense muscles and calm your nerves. And please, always check your vitamin levels with your doctor. If you ever feel worse, get advice quickly. Is kiwi safe? Some people worry that kiwi is too acidic or that it might raise blood sugar. But in moderation, kiwi has a low glycemic index. It won't spike your sugar like a pastry would. Plus, the natural enzymes in kiwi help you digest your food better. Unless you have a kiwi allergy or certain kidney conditions, it's one of the safest, most powerful fruits you can enjoy. Final thoughts? If you're over 60 and struggling with tingling hands or weak legs, please remember, small steps add up. 1 or 2 kiwis a day could be your simple, natural secret to feeling stronger and more confident. Pair it with good sleep, gentle movement, plenty of water, and a positive mindset. You deserve to feel healthy, and Golden Health Now is here to help you every step of the way. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next tip for healthy aging. And tell us in the comments, do you love kiwi? Or do you have your own nerve-strengthening secret? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.